What's up, you guys? It is the next day, so this is day 3 of being in Cancun, and we just filmed the Bean Boozled challenge, which will be on Olivia's YouTube channel, and it was the most disgusting thing I've ever done. Like, it was the most awful thing ever, and no one had fun. We have been sitting in this little area for 2+ hours with nothing to do because Olivia's mom isn't home because she's at the store. So we're gonna be putting our little lip stuffy things on again. So I got it on and Olivia got it on, and now we have to wait 15 minutes. So see you in 15 minutes. It has been 15 minutes. So I'm gonna take it off now. Thundering outside right now. Our lips are very pink. I feel like this We are about to go down and kind of explore the condo place and take pictures. And I got Olivia's camera, so we can take some videos, and she has her camera, so she can take videos and pictures too.
We're gonna be.
We are gonna walk around. Whoa. It's so pretty here. The elevator right now?
It's not creepy, it's pretty. Look at that marble.
It's pretty, but like...
We've just never taken this elevator before.
Yeah.
Because we just walked around the hotel, so we don't know where we are.
We're lost. Oh well. So we stopped right here while we're taking pictures, and then I'm gonna go all the way up there to take pictures of Olivia all the way down here. Okay. Yep. About to go help people take in groceries because after we just took some really sweet selfies. This is very cute. Sister Olivia, Sister Fruit Loop.
That is
We are back down at the pool, and now we're gonna go to the beach. It's an iguana.
Dang it, it's fogged up right now. I gotta let it get used to it.
I was looking for it.
We are back at the ocean, and it's really, really pretty right now. The waves are pretty big. Hey. are back from the beach and I took my hair out and it's kind of crazy right now, but we're gonna go look and see if there are some iguanas. And the beach was so nice and we got to swim for like a bajillion hours. So we are about to leave. I am wearing my dress from earlier today and I put my hair in space buns and I'm wearing my retro-y glasses from Forever 21 and I'm wearing a choker. So I'm ready to go. Are you ready to go?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, let's
Aren't
go.
these flowers so beautiful?
So we are on the bus and we are standing right now because we gotta build those arm muscles. But yeah, it's really nice. The breeze feels really, really good. And we're about to go eat, I think. And then me, Olivia, and Jennifer are gonna go to Forever 21. So we are here at the restaurant and it's really pretty. And I hopefully will get something authentic and cute and pescatarian-like because I am a pescatarian.
Like fish.
Well, yeah, we're by a pier and they serve fish.
He likes
And hopefully we'll see a poncho, which is like an alligator that comes by here. So, yeah. So we are here at the restaurant. We're all seated down. Yep.
Jennifer.
Ah. I got my food. I got my food.
Is it a house or a condo or what do you got?
They bought a condo.
We are done eating and now we are going to go shopping, and I think me and Olivia and Jennifer and they are going to go to Forever 21. We are here at the mall. Guys, so we just got home a little bit ago, but my phone died when we were at the mall, but all we did was go to Forever 21. But that is the end of the day, and I will see you guys tomorrow for day 3. Bye.